Welcome back, crackheads. Dr. Chris here, and I'm with my friends Clay and Tiffany, and they brought in their baby Easton today to get adjusted. So, Easton has been suffering from constipation, you said?
Yes.
All right, so how long?
Since he was born, really.
And how old is he?
2.5 months.
2.5 months. Okay, so for everyone out there, chiropractic, first of all, is safe for all ages. Even newborns. My youngest patient was actually 36 hours old. Yeah. So my friends invited me to the hospital to adjust their newborn right after they gave birth. So it's completely safe. All right. There's no risks involved, and we don't adjust them like we would a normal person. So there's not going to be any cracking. Okay, the joints move super easily. Their joints are kind of like floating around in jello. So all you have to do is apply gentle pressure, and then that'll get those joints back into place. All right, sound good?
Yeah.
All right, perfect. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
All right, perfect. So I'm going to take them first. All right. Good. Come here. Yep. Perfect. Okay, so. Hey, buddy. All right, first we're just going to make sure his. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, may have to redo. May not make the best video, but we'll get them adjusted. So babies, obviously they can't complain about their back hurting, right? So a lot of times they'll respond just by like constipation, diarrhea, crying, sleeping issues.
Yeah, he's up like every hour and a half, 2 hours on the dot.
Yeah.
Crying. Sometimes feeding him doesn't work. So I feel like he's
Yeah, so getting adjusted will help with all that. So his thoracic spine's a little off to the right. So all you have to do is put gentle pressure and those joints move back into place. Okay. All right, let me have you take him for a second. All right, cool. You got him?
Yeah.
Okay. Take this. All right, and then let me have. Okay, so now we're gonna check his back and his hips. So I want you to lie him on his stomach with his feet down this way. Yeah, so let me have you flip him over for me. So on his tummy. There you go. Good job, Easton. Hey. Oh. There we go. That's what we needed.
He farted.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
It's working.
Yeah, getting stuff moving. Oh. Big misalignment here. Good job, buddy. Get that gas out. Okay. All right, then we check his hips here. All right, good. Just relax. His pelvis feels rotated. Two and a half months, so little.
He was
Stretchy.
He
Yeah.
was 36 week pregnant.
Oh. Okay, so this right hip's a little posterior, so we're just gonna push this back down. Again, just gentle pressure.
He's hungry. That's why he's so
Uh-oh. Okay, that feels better. All right, good. And then I want you to flip him over and then have his head now towards me. Okay, good. All right, good. And now we're just gonna check his neck here.
Hey, Bella. Hey, Bella. Hey, Bella. Hey, Bella.
There you go.
I know. It's not as good as the real thing.
There you go. Oh. Okay, so a little tight on this left side here. So again, we just put gentle pressure and the joints just kind of like slide back into place. Good job. Alright. Okay, that's better. He's already starting to turn more that way. Alright, perfect. And that's it. That's all we have to do. Alright? Yeah, just tiny, easy adjustments. Alright? And then the same benefits for adults, you know, apply to babies. So you want to keep everything in alignment just to prevent any nerve irritation. And then again, since babies can't just complain that their neck hurts, they'll cry, or they'll stay up all night, or they'll spit up. So it helps with all those things: constipation, diarrhea, colic, spitting up, latching issues. So any of those issues that you're dealing with, like, just bring them to a chiropractor, and I mean, they may be able to help. I mean, look how happy he is now, right? The proof is in the pudding. All right, perfect. So he's good to go. All right, there you go. Good job.